Meerkats are small animals that live in hot deserts of Africa. They belong to the mongoose family. Meerkats live in groups called mobs or clans. One meerkat often stands upright to watch for danger, while others look for food. They eat insects, worms, eggs, and small animals. Meerkats have dark rings around their eyes to reduce sunlight. They dig deep tunnels to live and sleep safely. Meerkats are social and care for babies together. They use sounds to warn others. Teamwork helps them survive. They are active during the day and enjoy warm sun. Life underground keeps them cool inside.